Karnataka ready for the serve. Another point for Team Karnataka. Now Karnataka 3, BPCL 0. Athi ready for the next serve. Athi service के लिए तैयार. या ठिकाणी उपस्थित माननीय श्री नितीन भाऊ कदम यांना विनंती की आपण व्यासपीठावरती विराजमान व्हावं. Point goes to team Karnataka. So the scores are 5-2, 5-2. Madhu ready for the serve. या ठिकाणी उपस्थित माननीय हॉटेल लँडमार्कचे संचालक आणि समाजसेवक माननीय श्री नितीन भाऊ कदम उपस्थित आहेत. त्यांच्या लँडमार्क हॉटेलमध्ये सर्व खेळाडूंची राहण्याची व्यवस्था केलेली आहे. त्या माननीय श्री नितीन भाऊ कदम यांना विनंती की आपण व्यासपीठावरती विराजमान व्हावं. Beautifully placed, and point goes to team BPCL. माननीय श्री नितीन भाऊ कदम यांचं मनपूर्वक सहर्ष स्वागत, सुस्वागतम. GT सर्व्हिस के लिए तैयार. She missed it, and point goes to Team Karnataka. Now Team Karnataka is at 7, BPCL is at 3. High voltage match. BPCL won the 2 consecutive sets. Point goes to BPCL. आपल्या सर्व अमरावतीकरांचं मनपूर्वक सहर्ष स्वागत आहे. मैदानामध्ये सुरू असणारा हाय व्होल्टेज मॅच बिटवीन BPCL वर्सेस कर्नाटक. नाव अखिल रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट सर्व फ्रॉम टीम BPCL. The next match is in between Indian Navy and Indian Army. यानंतरचा होणारा सामना भारतीय सैन्य दल विरुद्ध भारतीय नौदल. एकदम एकदम कडक. अजित लाल का ये शॉट, सिग्नेचर स्ट्रोक ऑफ अजित लाल. He knew that. The ball is going outside, so the point goes to Team Karnataka. Yashu, ready for the next serve from Team Karnataka. Yashu, ready for the next serve. Beautiful placement, beautiful placement by Rohit. Point goes to Team Karnataka. Now Ajit Lal, ready for the next serve from Team BPCL. Ajit Lal. That's the beautiful point for Team Karnataka. 10-6, Karnataka 10, BPCL 6. 10-6. Ready for the next serve, Team Karnataka. Nicely dropped by Team BPCL. BPCL 7, Karnataka 10. Rohit, ready for the next serve from Team BPCL, Rohit. Beautiful smash by Madhu, Karnataka captain Madhu. Athi. Spider-Man की तरह चेरो, ये तो Spider-Man निकला इंडिया का. Score 8-11. बेहतरीन ब्लॉक अनूप डिकोस्टा द्वारा. स्कोर 12-8. 12-8. कर्नाटका 12, BPCL 8. Madhu, captain of Team Karnataka, ready for the serve. Madhu, Karnataka captain, ready for the serve. The powerful stroke was that, so that ball goes outside the ground and point goes to Team BPCL. Scores 9-12. To Team Karnataka 13-10. 13-10. Real. या ठिकाणी माननीय श्री नितीन भाऊ कदम उपस्थित आहेत. हॉटेल लँडमार्कचे संचालक आणि समाजसेवक या सर्व खेळाडूंची राहण्याची व्यवस्था हॉटेल लँडमार्क इथे करण्यात आलेली आहे. Perfectly blocked by Team Karnataka and point goes to Team Karnataka. Now the scores are 14-10. 14-10. Pawan ready for the next serve from Team Karnataka. Pawan ready for the next serve. Beautiful place by Anup Costa. 15-10. High voltage. Ajit Lal. That was the beautiful stroke by Ajit Lal. BPCL, Ajit Lal, welcome for his signature stroke, Ajit Lal. Now, Aki from BPCL, ready for the next serve. Aki scores 11-15. Perfectly blocked by Rohit and Ajit. Perfectly blocked by Rohit and Ajit. Scores 12-15. One more serve. Ready for the next serve. Akin from Team BPCL. Point goes to Team Karnataka. Now the scores are 16-12. 16-12. From Karnataka, Anup D. Costa, ready for the next serve. Yes, that was the beautiful stroke by Chero from Team BPCL. Chero, ready for the next serve. Chero from Team BPCL. What a beautiful match. Chero, once again, next serve from BPCL. Chero. Chero, ready for the next serve for the Team BPCL. Oh, beautiful. Karnataka now 70. Karnataka 70, BPCL 40. Yashu ready for the next serve for Team Karnataka. Yashu ready for the next serve from Team Karnataka. Ajit Lal. बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक और सर्व के लिए तैयार. Next serve, Ajit Lal from Team BPCL. Nice drop. So that point goes to Team Karnataka. Now scores are 18-15. 18-15. Bharat ready for the next serve. Bharat. Out of the ground, he missed it and point goes to Team BPCL. Now BPCL is at 16. Karnataka is at 18. BPCL 16, Karnataka 18. Rohit ready for the next serve from Team BPCL. Rohit ready for the next serve from Team BPCL. Didn't just it and point goes to Team BPCL. Now BPCL is at 70. Karnataka is at 80. Rohit ready for the next serve. Rohit. He missed it, but he tried it well. So that point goes to Team BPCL. Rohit ready for the next serve. From Team BPCL, Rohit ready for the next serve. BPCL. Now the scores are 19-18. Scores are 19-18. Rohit ready for serve. Beautiful drop by Anup D'Costa. Scores 19 all. Well efforts taken by Anup D'Costa. Scores are 19 all. Want to block the powerful stroke so that ball goes outside the ground and point goes to deep BPCL. Now BPCL is at 20, Karnataka is at 19. Another point for team BPCL. Now BPCL is at 21 and Karnataka is at 19. Jitin ready for the next serve from team BPCL. Well inside the ground and point goes to team Karnataka. Scores 20-21. Karnataka 20, BPCL 21. Karnataka captain Madhu ready for the next serve. Madhu from team Karnataka. Ready for the next service. Captain of team Karnataka, Madhu. Well shot by Chiro. Now the scores are 22-20. 22-20. Rahul ready for the leg service from team BPCL. Want to block it, but that was a beautiful shot and powerful shot so that the ball went outside the ground and point goes to team BPCL. Now BPCL is at 23. याच्यानंतरचा होणारा सामना इंडियन आर्मी वर्सेस इंडियन नेव्ही. Perfectly blocked. And point goes to Team Karnataka. Now Team Karnataka 21, BPCL 23. From BPCL, ready for the serve. He tried it well, but unfortunately, point goes to Team Karnataka. Now Team Karnataka. Anup D'Costa, ready for the serve. सर्व स्वयंसेवक विनंती आहे, आपण लवकरात लवकर स्टेजवर यायचं आहे. स्वयंसेवक well dropped and point goes to Team Karnataka. Now the Team Karnataka is at 23. And that's the winning point for Team BPCL. डीजे बंद ठेवा, डीजे बंद ठेवा. विनंती आहे, कोणी मैदानामध्ये येऊ नका. स्वयंसेवक कोणी असतील तर आपल्याला विनंती आहे.
यानंतर सुंदर होणारा मॅच इंडियन नेव्ही वर्सेस इंडियन आर्मी. टू टीम्स at the top in volleyball. Indian Navy versus Indian Army.